Hello everyone, I'm Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video I'll try to talk about the haptic feedbacks in the MI11X device after updating to the MIUI 12.5. As you can see friends, recently I did receive the update and few of the users they did ask me this kind of question that is there any improvement in terms of the haptic feedbacks after the MIUI 12.5 update or not. As you can see friends, so let's see, I'll try to explore all the features and what got updated and what are the things to be aware of this update as well. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. I'll try to do the tips and tricks, all the features, updates on this review in terms of the MIUI 12.5 in this phone. So make sure to stay tuned for that video. So it is a few settings where you can toggle about the vibrations, haptic feedbacks of this phone. So it's the sound and touch friends, as you can see. So previously there is no option called touch in the normal MIUI 12 version, but now in the MIUI 12.5 we do get the separate kind of touch options, as you can see friends. So there you can toggle all the haptic feedback settings whatever you want over there. And just in case if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also do check the links in description for the playlist of this all the videos which I uploaded on the MI11X device recently. So once you are in the touch options, you do get this kind of all the options. So the main useful category here is only this small part. So apart from that, top and the bottom is only for the demonstration purpose only. So only this is a part where you can toggle increase or decrease the haptic feedbacks in your smartphone. So that is where you can play around with the haptic feedback. But top and the bottom ones are just for the demonstration purpose, how the haptic feedbacks will be working in your particular smartphone. So this is the same kind of implementation which is present in the previously in the MI11 device. So this is the MI11 device friends which I am using, as you can see here. So which has the same kind of haptic feedbacks, all the data is everything same top and bottom, as you can see. This is how you will be getting everything. So same kind of thing got implemented even in the MI11X device as well. So once you click this kind of video, this video will be doing a demonstration of the haptic feedback functionality, how it's coming up. So when the ball is rolling, you will get this kind of different vibration. When all the animals are falling, you will get the different kind of vibrations. So when you get the arrow marks, you will get different kind of vibrations. So this is what the demonstration purpose is, but actually you can feel the difference when you watch this video. Exactly friends, that is what they are trying to do right now. So they are trying to show you how the haptic feedbacks will be working in this mode on the different scenarios, like when you're shooting, when you're playing a game, when you're racing. So these are kind of vibrations you might be able to expect when the ball is rolling around. So this is a kind of vibration, but definitely I can feel the difference. So once you get the MIUI 12.5 update, immediately you'll be able to feel actual vibrations in your smartphone, how good it is. If you ask me, if you compare with this kind of vibration with this MI11 device, I would say the MI11 has got slightly better vibrations than the MI11X phone. Even when I'm watching this kind of video, I can absolutely say the difference. Slightly better in this MI11X device. So when I do the same kind of video, little bit, but not the major change, but only just a little bit. But still the MI11X vibrations looks kind of a premium. But after watching this video, then I understood how the haptics are working in this smartphone. So this is a toggle where you can increase and decrease. So same thing is present. So there is nothing much difference is happening. So apart from few additional changes which they did implement in this latest MIUI 12.5. So now whenever you increase and decrease the volume, you can feel the vibrations haptic feedback as well. When you're trying to increase and decrease the volume, you'll get the haptic feedback connection. So before it used to not be there, but now you can actually feel a little bit more intense. So before maybe, but now you can actually feel a little bit more intense the vibrations when you're trying to increase and decrease the volume. So apart from that, even when you're trying to open the Game Turbo application, so as soon as you open the Game Turbo application, you can feel the vibrations going around the phone. That is also another implementation which has been done. So that's another good thing. So before it used to be a little bit kind of vibrations, but after this update, I can actually feel more vibrations. So maybe they must have integrated this kind of haptic feedback to the each and every application. I think so. But overall, there's a good improvement, friends, which we can expect. But only thing with this MIUI 12.5 is that you need to take care about the battery life. That is what I'm going to test for the next couple of days. So I was really very busy in making a number of videos on this phone and I was unable to do the proper battery drain test, but definitely I'll keep you posted with the battery backup review of this smartphone as well. So stay tuned for more updates friends, and thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.